If you want to log into BlinkLearning using a Gmail account, access BlinkLearning's homepage and click on Login. Next, select the Login with Google button. When prompted, enter your Gmail username and password and click Next. Select the Gmail account you want to use, and from the pop-up window that appears, click Allow. Once inside BlinkLearning, access your profile and confirm you're connected to Google. If you want to log into BlinkLearning with a username and password, and later connect to your Gmail account, click on Login. Enter your username and password and click on the Login button. Next, access your profile and click on the Connect with Google button. Select the Gmail account you want to connect with and click on Allow. Finally, confirm that you're connected to Google.